How to set up intervals in MS Word. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can set up intervals such as line spacing, paragraph spacing, and letter spacing. For this, you first want to open Microsoft Word on your PC or laptop and open the document. Now, the first thing you want to do is select the text in which you want to make the changes. If you want to select all, simply press Ctrl+A. Once you have selected it, click on the Home option, and here on the paragraph section, you have the line and paragraph spacing option. Simply click on this drop-down menu, and from here you can select your desired interval. If you want more options, click on the line spacing options, and here you have many other settings. Head over to the spacing tab, and from here, click on the line spacing option. From this drop-down, you can select whichever you want, for example, 1.5 lines, double. Once you select this, click on the OK option and you're going to find the changes. If you want to make more changes, you can follow the same steps. To customize it further, you can click on the exact or multiple as well. Once you're done with this, you can also make letter spacing. For this, on the Home tab, head over to the font section. From here, click on this arrow and that's going to open the font settings. Click on the advanced settings from here. Now you have the option of spacing. Click on the drop-down menu. From here you can either expand or condense it. Click on expand, and from here you can increase or decrease it. Now if you want to condense the text, first of all you want to select the text that you want to change. Now on the spacing tab, select condensed. Then increase or decrease this as you want and click on the OK option. As you can see, the changes have been made, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.